Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here at the KTM Davangere. Today we'll do the walk around of the new BS6 Duke 390. And this is the BS6 version of the Duke 390. It comes with a whole new color and the new body graphics. And let's see what are the changes KTM has done here in this new BS6 version. And here at the front it gets the 110mm tire section. It gets the Metzeler tire at the front as well as rear. And you can see this is a 320mm front disc. It gets a dual channel ABS also. Here you get the LED DRLs and it's a LED headlight unit. Here at the front it gets the inverted WP Apex suspension. On this BS6 version it gets a two color option. This is a silver metallic and another one is a ceramic white color. Now it has a combination of three colors: silver, black and orange. In this the front and rear wheel of this bike is colored with orange as well as the frame also. The ceramic white is fully blacked out with a combination of white color. In this BS6 version I like this color more than the ceramic white color, and here it gets the new graphics. It has the sectioned trellis frame. At the front it's colored with the orange and at the rear it is colored with the black. The heat management on this Duke 390 is now gets upgraded, as well as the silencer came under the engine. Here at the rear it gets the 150mm tire section and 230mm of rear disc. It comes with a dual channel ABS and the rear ABS can be switched off, and it gets the LED tail light unit, and here you get the grab rails for the pillion. And these seats look so hard. And here at the rear it gets the sari guard and tire hugger. The sari guard is mandatory in India, and it has aluminum swing arm, and it has a WP monoshock suspension at the rear. And this is the heart of the machine. It is a single cylinder liquid cooled. It produces around 43 bhp of horsepower and 37 Nm of torque. It produces the same power as the Duke BS4 version. The catalytic converter is placed over here, but in this BS6 version the weight is increased by 4 kg as we compare to the BS4 version. It gets the slipper clutch and it is 5-step adjustable. The switches offered on this bike is so premium. These are the switches. You can browse through this TFT display. It's a indicator switch, and this is horn, and this side it gets the kill switch and the self start button. Here at this side also the brake lever can be adjustable up to 5-step. The TFT display on this Duke 390 has a lot of information. As you can see here, it has a speedometer, tachometer, odometer, fuel gauge, ABS. Now it's on the road mode, and here it shows the trip, top speed, trip time, fuel range. These are all some of the basics informations that available on this display. And here on the main menu it shows the lot of information, settings, motorcycle. Let's get to the motorcycle here. In the motorcycle it shows the ABS and quick shifter plus. And this is the new feature added on the new BS6 Duke 390. It gets a bi-directional quick shifter. Now you can add gear just by raising the throttle without using the clutch, and you can switch off the quick shifter also if it doesn't need it at all. In the ABS option you get the two modes, road mode and the supermoto mode. Now you can see it's on the road mode. If you select the supermoto mode, the rear wheel ABS will automatically switched off and you can do some stunts and burnouts. On the My Ride menu, get the two options, audio and pairing. You can easily browse through it by connecting through your phone. On the setting menu, you get the favorites, quick selector one, Bluetooth, display theme, shift light and clock date. These are all some basic information. You can change the theme of the display here. If you select the night mode, the display theme look like this. The display looks good enough. You can see all the numbers in the daylight also. Now it has a tank capacity of 13.5 liter, same as the BS4 version. And the mileage of the new BS6 Duke 390 is around 28.5 kmpl. And let's see the exhaust note of the Duke 390. It is in neutral. The fit and finish on this motorcycle is really good. Now on this BS6 Duke 390, it gets a price hike of 4,978 rupees and the ex-showroom price is around 2,57,000. If you have any doubt, please comment below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.